This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie McDonald's style. We'll begin by crafting the perfect flaky crust. You'll need about 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, cold butter, and a pinch of salt. Mix these ingredients until crumbly, then add a few tablespoons of ice water to form a dough. Remember to chill your dough for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for a tender, easy-to-work-with crust that won't shrink when cooked. Next, let's create that irresistible apple filling. You'll want about 4 cups of diced apples, like Granny Smith or Honeycrisp, combined with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a few tablespoons of brown sugar. Cook this mixture gently until the apples begin to soften and the spices become fragrant. Don't forget to stir in about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to thicken it perfectly, giving you that classic gooey texture. Now for the fun part, assembly. Roll your chilled dough out thinly, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thick. Cut it into rectangles, roughly 4 by 6 inches. Place about 2 tablespoons of your delicious apple filling onto 1/2 of each dough piece. Fold the other half over and seal the edges tightly with a fork. You can either deep fry these for about 2 to 3 minutes, or bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes until golden. Once your pies are cooked to a beautiful golden brown, it's time for the finishing touches. If you fried them, make sure to drain them on a wire rack to ensure they stay wonderfully crisp. While still warm, dust them generously with a simple cinnamon sugar mixture. This adds that extra layer of sweetness and iconic flavor. Serve your homemade apple pies warm, perhaps with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.